Today we're going to be continuing our build on Harry Gant's 1991 Oldsmobile. We're going to start by putting the oil tank bottom on and the little cover for some kind of vent, I guess. So on the oil tank, what I did is around the bottom where it mounts to it, I kind of sanded the edge of it to get it to fit in there better. It never really likes to fit well. So that's what I did there. Also, I'm gluing in that vent cover, and then we're going to be gluing in the rear suspension truck arms here shortly. Alright, once I got the glue on and it's kind of in place, I'm going to get some clothespins and hold down the bracket on the chassis and let all this dry. Okay, on this chassis, on the drive shaft, there's a longer stud and a shorter one on the drive shaft itself. The shorter stud goes to the rear end, the longer stud goes towards the engine. Alright, now we're going to glue the engine in, fish it through there. So right before I put the engine in, I glued the headers on, but they're not completely dry yet, so I can move them around, and you'll see why here shortly. I use the exhaust as a jig so the headers are lined up properly. Alright, now we're going to glue in the shifter and the seat. Now it's time to glue the roll cage assembly on. I just run glue along the side of the chassis there on both sides, and then some up front where the front roll bars mount up to. Put some clothespins on the back to help hold it in place. Once the roll cage is dried, and I added the rear roll cage with the fuel cell and the dashboard with the window braces, we'll put the rear dash on. I think it's got a different name, I just can't remember it. Put that on. And now we'll put the radiator in. All right, now we'll mount up the front shocks. I probably should have did this later because I still got to put the radiator hoses on. So, I don't know, I probably just made it harder for myself doing the shocks now, but we'll get it taken care of. And that's all there is for the video. Thanks for watching, and next time we'll do some body work and decals. Get this thing almost finished up. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it.